Hi everybody, I'm Gary and welcome to my shop. Now this is a channel update to bring you up to speed on where I've been and what's coming up. I want to thank you for hanging in here with me, subscribing, giving me likes, and your comments. I do appreciate your comments as I get great ideas from you and I learn from you also. None of us knows it all. It has been a few months since I've published a video. 2018 has been a difficult season weather-wise, and I've dealt with a couple of health issues. However, things are doing well now, and I'm ready to get back up to speed again. After the 2018 holiday season, I'll be publishing more videos again. I have several videos in progress and many more in the development stages. These are about tips, tricks, shortcuts, jigs, tools, projects, and much more. So thank you for hanging in here with me. Now, as I say, which is an anecdote from the Red Green Show, if the ladies don't find you handsome, at least they should find you handy. Thank you.